everyone, and welcome back to my channel Study with Mumtaz. And today I'm here with a new project on Scratch, and this is somewhat similar to a cartoon like Tom and Jerry. So you must have seen that cartoon. In that one, it is like, Tom always chases Jerry, and Jerry always used to run away from the Tom. So in the same manner, we have created this project. So let's see how it works. So let's take it here. Let's press the green flag. Oh no. So it is like the mouse, like as you have seen, the mouse was moving according to the direction of the mouse pointer. Wherever I was moving it, it was just facing that direction. And if it is near to the cat, then it will produce a sound. So that's actually the theme of this game. And the name of this project is Cat Chasing a Mouse. And mouse has to move according to the direction of the mouse pointer and try to move away from the cat. But if the cat touches the mouse, then it is going to produce a sound like the cat has caught the mouse. So let's see how you can create this very simple project. So here we will be needing, two characters. One is cat and other is mouse. So to get the cat, just go to choose a sprite and write cat there. And you can just take cat 2 from this option. And for the mouse also, just go there and type mouse. And yeah, the mouse will be there. You can just then reduce the size. The mouse you can keep 30. For the cat, you can keep it 70. For the backdrop, it is very simple backdrop, blue sky 2. Take this one. And after having all the sprites and backdrop, you can start coding. So initially, I'll just take a sprite and I'll just explain you how it is going to actually work. So initially, like suppose you have taken a mouse. And for the mouse, what is the coding? When green flag is clicked, okay, when green flag is clicked, let's just separate it and understand it. So if distance to mouse pointer is greater than 12, points towards mouse pointer and move 10 steps. Now, what is the meaning of this code? Like if you are going to control and you are giving a condition if then is a conditional block in which you can give a condition, and if this condition is satisfying, then this should happen. So what is the condition actually given? To give the greater than, just go to operator and take this greater than. And distance to mouse pointer. So take this code and put it inside from the sensing. Distance to mouse pointer, whose distance? Rat's distance. If the rat distance to the mouse pointer is greater than 12, suppose there is the mouse pointer and this is the rat. If the distance towards the rat is distance to mouse pointer is greater than 12 for the rat, then what should rat do? Rat should point towards the mouse pointer. So we'll take this code from the motion, point towards mouse pointer, and after that, rat should move in that direction for 10 steps. This is the actual meaning of this conditional statement. So suppose if, let's just keep it here. So I'll just separate this code. So it is like, see, when you press the green flag and the mouse pointer is in this direction. Okay, let's take the direction, different one, and let's just observe this, the meaning of this code. So according to the meaning of this code, if distance to the mouse pointer is greater than 12, then this mouse should point in the direction of mouse pointer. The mouse pointer is in this direction. And after pointing in that direction, it should move 10 steps. See, it happened. Why? Because see, my mouse pointer was in this direction and the distance between the mouse and the pointer is greater than 12. So it has taken the look towards the mouse pointer because the code is point towards mouse pointer, and after that it has moved 10 steps. Now it is happening only one time. To make it happen always, we can put a forever loop. Now let's see what happens next. So it is always going to move like this according to the mouse pointer. So whenever the distance is greater than 12, it will point towards and it will continuously keep on moving 10 steps. That's how the code for the mouse is given. So this part is complete. Okay. Now what is the second part? The second part is, if this mouse touches the cat, then it should play a sound. I'll just drop this code and I'll put another condition loop here. I will put another conditional statement here. And according to that, the condition is if the mouse touching the cat. So take this touching mouse pointer, click on cat 2. So what is the line has become? If touching cat. Who is touching cat? This mouse. We are coding for mouse sprite. So if mouse touching cat 2, what should happen? It should produce a sound. So go to sound option and there will be so many sounds. There is pop, there is a squeak, and you can add a meow sound also. I think it must be there. Yeah, meow or meow 2 you can take. Just go back to code and play sound until done. So let's see. Right now there's no code for the cat because I have separated it. Let's just see how it's gonna work. See, so whenever it is going to touch the cat, it will produce a sound. Yeah. So this is how you have to code for mouse sprite. So let's just remove this code thing. So when green flag is clicked, now cat has to chase the mouse. So to chase the mouse, cat always has to point towards mouse only. So that is the condition given, that point towards mouse 1. As you know, the mouse is moving 10 steps according to the pointer. So we should make little less steps so that the cat does not catch the mouse easily. So we'll make it move only 4 steps. And if cat touching mouse 1, then what should happen? It should also play a meow sound and the score should change by 1. So first let's remove this and understand about this code. When green flag is clicked, point towards mouse 1 and move 4 steps, and it should keep on happening always. So wherever the mouse will go, the cat will follow that direction. Okay. Now what if it touches, right? Now what should happen if it touches the mouse? So firstly, we also need to, increase the score like we are playing a game. So to store anything, to score information and to store the marks or the score, what do? We create a variable. Variable is like a container which holds information, which stores some amount. Like in a jar, you can keep so many things. In the same way, variables are there to store information. So we'll just create a variable named score. We'll just click on make a variable, write a score there and click on OK. Score variable will be created. You can just delete this one, delete the score variable. Okay. And after that, what you can do is you can set my variable to 0. So whenever your game starts, initially the score should be 0. So whenever your game is going to start, your score will be set to 0. Okay. Now the another condition which is given here is if touching mouse, if the cat is touching mouse 1, then your score should change by 1. So change score by 1. And after that, play meow sound, like the cat has caught the mouse. And secondly, if you're like when you have to stop all the things, you need to, you need to give a condition like at what score your game should stop. So there should be an end thing. So you can make it like here it is 25. You can make it, 20, like once the cat reaches 20 score, then the game should stop. Or if you want to make it little early, then you can make it 10 and take this score variable and just add it here. If the score is equal to 10, then play sound hand clap and stop all. Let's just see. So hand clap sound was there and everything stopped. You can also, you can also change it to so many things, like you can switch the backdrop, you can make it congratulations, you have won, you can add another sound code. So there will be so many things you can do here. So I hope you have liked this project, and I just request you to subscribe my channel and like, comment and share as much as you can, and help the students to learn coding, and especially young children who can build their logical thinking, creative thinking by learning some projects from scratch. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. We'll meet you soon with a new video. Take care.